Hey everybody, one of my favorite YouTubers, the Fit Farmer, has one of these. Actually, I think he has two of these, but I saw a deal on Prime Day and I couldn't help myself. We got us a gorilla cart. This thing is so cool. I see the family over on the Fit Farmer using these things all the time. I know that's upside down, but it dumps. 4 wheels, so it doesn't tip over like a wheelbarrow. Anyway, Prime deal, just got delivered. Very excited. I got to get this thing put together because I've got a mess to haul out. So anyway, shout out to the Fit Farmer. Hey, great call. I can't wait to use this thing. The other night when we got our gorilla cart, I was putting that together and I was FaceTiming my daughter Hope. And we were just chit-chatting and I'm like, wait a minute. This reminds me of your little red wagon. And said, I wonder how much weight this will carry. And so I was looking at the box, 600 pounds. She looks at me, I looked at her. She's like, Dad,
no.
I'm like, oh yeah. So that was a couple nights ago. There's the cart. And we're in the barn, obviously. So you're not gonna be able to see very well because it's what, 720? 620, 720, 620. Anyway, the wood that we've been trying to salvage from the shiplap from the walls and the ceiling and so forth, I'm trying to store out here because all the renovations in the house, we just don't have room for that. It needs to be out so we can do what we need to do. So anyway, carts come in very handy. I've been stacking it so tall that I've had to use a ratchet strap to hold it in place. But hold that thought. Okay, so you're all wondering, why is Hope going, Dad, no? Well, let me show you.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Yes, let's do this. Okay, take 2. Yes, there's a lot of work to be done, but there's time for play too. Anyway, thanks for joining everybody, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, share us if you would. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye.